Well, today, folks, I've got a treat for you. I've got something to unbox. It just got here. I don't even know exactly what's going on. I don't know what it is. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. My friend sent this to me. And I can't believe he sent it to me. I didn't even know who I was. I mean, look at this. This is awesome. I don't even know if this is what's in the box or there's something else in this box. But in this video, we're going to open it up and see what my friend here sent me. So stick around. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Well, first, folks, it's got a note. We're gonna read the note to you. Following Keenan, here's a little item for you for your new office. Thanks to my friends at NewAir. Hope you find a place for it. Love your channel. Keep up the good work. Keep up the hard work at the laundromats. Hard work will pay off someday for you. You may be even as successful in the laundromats as I am. You might even find a trailer park and some spoonies like me. Gotta go. Good luck. Love, Brandon. P.S. There's a P.S. Don't forget to mention that in the description of this video there'll be a link for this item and a code for them to use. Remember, every little bit helps me. You're right. And since you sent me this, I don't have a problem putting that down below. So like I said before, there'll be a link. So let's open this up now that we found out who sent it to us. I'm going to save this as a memento. Let's get this open and see what we got in here. I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to lift this thing off this. It was pretty heavy moving it in there. Look at the foam. It's packed really well, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. I think the top just comes off now. Thank God. Let's turn it for you so when we take it off, it's like epic. I'm going to tell you, NewAir and my friend B there didn't need to do this. Let's see what we got. Everybody ready? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I don't even want to take the stickers off. See, it's got a handle I got to screw. Got some parts and pieces here. Can't get it back in. Wow, look at that. Well, if you can't tell, it's a refrigerator. This is a 224 can refrigerator. Now you can put other things in it. It's 24 inches. Got the handle. I'm going to put that on real quick. That off. Okay, that'll be easy. Wow, that is nice. So I'm sure you want to see it lit up, don't you? Let's light her up. Let's plug it in. Cord's back here. Did it light up for you? Oh, that's cool. Look at that. I don't know if you can see those lights in there. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to turn the lights off in my office. I'm going to get the full effect here. Ooh, pretty. Light stays on when you open up the door. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. Obviously they're adjustable. Obviously you can take them in and out. So you can do whatever combination you want. Do one down there. And they slide out too. I mean, that's what they're meant to do, is slide out. They actually lock in place back here in the back. Look at that. So you can lay your cans down and pull it out. And the inside's, you know, obviously all plastic. Here's your temperature control. Ooh, we can change the colors. Now that's sharp. Folks, we can change the colors. Right up here we got, it displays your temperature. Obviously in Fahrenheit, because we're not part of the metric system and no one uses Celsius. Well, no one that wants to know what temperature is uses Celsius. Because you never know what temperature it is. It's like a clear, blue, red, white. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. That's pretty cool. Man, that's sharp. Let's try the lock. I don't know about you, but you know in one of the videos I showed I put a fridge in my wife's office. I have a feeling she's going to want to steal this. See if I did that right. Yep, can't get it open. Wow, that is sharp. NewAir. Now this isn't its final resting place. It'll probably end up going in the kitchen next door. There's actually a kitchen next to my office, but let me know in the comments down below, what do you think I should send Brandon? You think I should send him a gift? You think I should send him a secret package? Let me know down below what you think I should send him and if I should send him something. Well, this has been a fun video. You never know what's going to show up around here. Like I said, this thing showed up in the driveway. I didn't know what it was. It is awesome. It's a NewAir 224 can refrigerator. Perfect for my office. Stainless steel front, glass see-through door, solid construction, and it's pretty compact. Actually, you could sit this under the counter kitchen or a bar, which is what I'm going to do in the room next door. And I'll show you that video as I make that bar, but I'm going to put it over there. So, like I said, don't forget to leave me a comment below of what I should send Brandon. Anything. Name off stuff. Should I send him a silver quarter? Should I send him a box of feathers? What should I send him? You let me know and I'll send it to him. The best comment will win. And I'll pin it to the top. We'll see if he's daring enough to open it on his channel. Take it easy. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to go over to Brandon's channel and thank him for this. Say, hey, thanks for sending that thing to Following Keenan. He will be shocked. Trust me. Take it easy. So take it easy. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so and you like the videos, you like some of the other videos, hit the subscribe button. I'm a little channel. I can use all the subscribers I can get. Till next time, take it easy. Be safe.